Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Hafiza Faryal Education Wali. I am student at Rehan School Online Academy ACCL Foundation Level Batch 13. Today my task is the review of the inspiring video by Afreen Mushtaq. After watching this video, it taught me that if we truly believe in our dreams, we should never give up on because of other people's opinions. In my opinion, the journey is never easy sometimes. Even our own family cannot support us financially or emotionally. But if we keep moving forward right, work step by step and never give up on success will eventually come. This video I have watched taught me that biggest lesson is that no obstacle is greater than our determined mind. If we believe in ourselves, stay focused on our goals, and continue learning every day, we can overcome every challenge. So never stop dreaming, never stop working hard, believe in yourself, trust Allah, and remember that every small step you take today brings you closer to your dreams. Now, I would like to end my review with this beautiful quote. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Thank you so much for listening me. Allah Hafiz.